Hello guys, here is I have Samsung Galaxy S17 and you can see his screen is cracked. His phone is on but we don't see nothing. Screen goes black, so you need to replace the whole screen. And there is two screens on the market, one is with the frame, one is without the frame. And this one I'm going to show you with the frame one. So first we have to remove this back cover. We need to apply heat first, then we can remove easily. You can use also alcohol on side to remove this back cover. With these tools we're gonna lift it up. You can see it's nicely removed with the previous glue. We're gonna apply more heat on side and easy to remove like that. Also you can use alcohol on side, but this time we don't use any alcohol, we just apply heat and remove slowly. You can see it's come very easily. And this back cover is plastic, it's not a glass, so it doesn't break. So already remove this back cover. Now we're gonna remove this SIM card tray. We remove the SIM card tray already, and here is the fingerprint ribbon connection. Remove this connection, and now we're gonna remove this all screw. This all screw are same, all are star screw, so we can keep it one place. It's not gonna mix it up. The all screw are same, and we're gonna remove this bottom side also. This all screw are also same thing, star screw. We almost remove this all screw. Now we're gonna remove this back housing, and there is no glue. We just pushing up with this knife. There is some lock, you just have to unlock it. You can see it's easy to unlock. You don't have to do too much harder, just slowly lifting up all side. And this side you have to carefully pushing up, because this side has a power button and volume button flags. You're almost done. We're gonna lifting up the back housing. Now I'm gonna remove this battery connection, and there is a screen connection and charging port connection. We remove it, and here is one screw to hold the motherboard, and there is the antenna connection. You have to remove it, and bottom side there is same thing, screen connection and charging port connection. And there is one black screw, we have to remove that one. Now we're gonna separate the charging port, and there is screen connection with the glue. We just use some alcohol and wait 5 seconds, and then slowly lifting up with these tools. You can see it's easy to separate. And now we're gonna remove the charging port, and here is the motherboard. We already removed the screw. Now we just separate the motherboard. Now we're gonna remove this air speaker. We're gonna apply some alcohol, and slowly you're gonna lift it up. Do not try to rush to remove it. You're gonna break this speaker. So slowly lifting up. And here is the vibration. We're gonna use alcohol. You can also use apply heat. Is alcohol easy to remove it, so you're gonna use it alcohol. And here is the loudspeaker. You have to very carefully remove it. If you try to lift it up wrong way, you're gonna break this speaker and the sound will be like buffering or scratching sound. So just slowly lifting up, use alcohol, wait 5 seconds, 10 seconds, then slowly lifting up so you don't damage this speaker. Some screen comes with the speaker also, so you don't have to lift it up, but my new screen doesn't have the loudspeaker, so you have to remove it. Now we're gonna remove this battery, plus remove this green tape, lifting up, then use alcohol inside and outside both side, and we just use it now on other side. Outside you have to use apply alcohol. This 99% alcohol, you can find CBS and Walgreen, and little bit hard to remove it. Just lifting up, little bit harder, and we separate the battery already. And there is some bubble. We have to pressing down is make it easily. You can see battery still is state. There is no band. It's very easy to remove it battery. Just use alcohol. And here is the new screen. This is the original screen. And now you're gonna put back everything. And this comes with already volume button and power button flags. We don't need to remove from old screen. You're gonna put back air speaker, and here is the motherboard. Just press it down, and there is a black screw. You have to put it back. Now we're gonna do bottom side. There is vibration. Previous glue is good, so we need to put. We don't need to put extra glue. And here is a speaker. The black thing is the glue. We just add it from previous screen. Just press it down, and here is the charging port. Easy to install. Just install and then put back this black screw, and there is glue on this new screen, so you don't need to put extra glue. And just press it down, and now we organize this antenna connection and press it down. Now you're gonna install the battery. Use double side tape and remove this top plastic. Now you're gonna install this battery and then press it down. Make sure it's attached with this tape. And now you're gonna connect this screen connection and charging port connection ribbon. First we're gonna do on top side. Main goes on top side, and SUB and OCTA goes on bottom side. It's easy to connect it. Now you're gonna connect this battery connection. We are all done here. Now you're gonna insert the back housing. First we're gonna do it with the volume and power button side. Then slowly you're gonna press it all side and press it down all side nicely. Insert this SIM card tray, and now you're gonna connect this fingerprint ribbon. Just press it down this back housing. We don't want to put the screw right now. First we're gonna check, make sure phone is working. Then we're gonna install all the screw back. It's turning on. Now it show off everything. Make sure touch is working. Go to the phone and press it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, go back. Yeah, everything is work fine. Now you're gonna install back all the screw. All the screw are same star screw. So this with the frame one very easy to install, and you don't need extra glue or something. Without frame one you need apply glue on side, sometimes take time to dry up the glue. So easy to remove, easy to install this with the frame one. And there is previous glue is very good and is very sticky, so we don't need to put extra glue, just only side there is no glue. You're gonna apply some glue here. There is no previous glue, and now you install this back cover and just press it down. Camera side you have to press it a little bit harder because there is two lock, and then you're gonna press it down all side. You can see it's very strong glue, it does nicely. After that we're gonna apply heat all side. We're gonna melt it previous glue and press it down all side. As you can see now it's very nicely attached with this frame, this back cover with the previous glue. You can see his phone look like brand new again. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.